Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Forza Horizon 6 error, and the error code is AMD underscore AGS underscore 64.dll was not found on your PC. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the Forza Horizon 6 error, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you just need to press Windows plus R key, then type percent local app data percent. Then hit enter. After that, you need to find D3DS cache. You can see here, click on this, then select all the folder, then delete it. Then go back, then here you will find Forza Horizon 6. I had not installed, so it's not showing here. If you find Forza Horizon 6, just delete that folder. After that, go to NVIDIA folder and delete GL cache in that. After that, go back and go to temp folder, then search for 4temp. Here you need to type, here you need to search 4 times, search and delete it. After deleting, then go back and close this window, then type here disk cleanup. Click on this, select your Windows drive, click on OK. Make sure you have selected all these items, then click OK. Then click on delete and wait for some time to complete this process. After completion of this, go to the third method, that is device manager. Click on search, then type your device manager. Click to open. In this, you need to just double click on this display adapters. Here you will find your graphic driver. Right click on that. Click on property. Click on the driver. Here you need to click on rollback driver and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still it is not working. Then here you will find your driver version. You just need to download the higher driver version, and after downloading, just install and restart your PC and check. Hope your issue will be resolved. That's it, guys. So in this way, you can fix Forza Horizon 6 error AMD underscore AGS underscore 64-bit dot DLL was not found on your Windows. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.